exhibition, yan yung mga, and even visiting the store on days when it isn't his shift. Mga ilang beses na namunta ako, pumunta ako ng exhibition. He goes above and beyond, even embracing fun challenges like dancing or acting for social media content, despite not being a dancer, just to help the store grow and engage the community. His wholehearted dedication reflects the true spirit of excellent customer care. With deep appreciation for his commitment and contributions, we proudly present this certificate of appreciation.
Yan.
Expired din ang kanya. Best in expired.
Okay, next is Edric Vera. Okay, the certificate of appreciation is in recognition of his positive can-do attitude, willingness to always help, and genuine joy in serving customers. Edric has brought warmth and cheer to LPZ Grocery Products Trading, and beyond his friendly greetings and the way he makes customers feel welcome, Edric has shown what true dependability looks like, whether stepping in to cover for someone who can't make it, taking on extra tasks to ensure smooth operations, or simply showing up with the same steady commitment every day. He has proven himself to be someone the team can always count on. His consistency, reliability, and full-hearted service have not only uplifted the customer experience, but also strengthened the team in countless ways. Edric's presence reminds us that genuine care, both for the work and for the people around him, is at the heart of excellent service. Okay, next. Certificate of appreciation is presented to Roxanne Palanas. In recognition,
Dali, dito ka! May English ko. Dali! Ikaw si Ma'am.
okay, in recognition of her quiet strength, steady leadership, and unwavering positivity, Roxanne Palanas has become one of the pillars of LPD Grocery Products Trading as store leader. So Rox is one of our foundation's OG with Ralph and Giselle. Yeah. Since day one. Yeah. So her remarkable patience and cheerful spirit create an environment where both customers and team members feel supported. With steady hands and dependable presence, she has guided daily operations, ensured follow-through on management's initiatives, and upheld the company's goals for growth and improvement. Her dedication to serving customers, her consistency in supporting the team, and her commitment to keeping the store running smoothly reflect the true values of service and leadership. Roxanne's presence strengthens the foundation of the company, making her an invaluable member of the organization.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Hey, Ra!
Thanks, Ma'am Raz.
This certificate of appreciation is presented to Ralph Carvin. This is in grateful recognition of your exemplary service and dedication as shift leader at LPD Grocery Products Trading. Through waist-deep floods, strong typhoons, and the everyday challenges of operations, Ralph Alvazor has consistently shown malasakit and unwavering commitment. Your brilliance, valuable input to operations, diligence, keen eye for details, and assertiveness. Minsan masungit but assertive, right? That's a good balance. Nagbabalance kayo ni Rox. Have strengthened the team's discipline and efficiency, directly contributing to the success of our store. Your leadership and collaboration with store leader set a high standard of professionalism, one that inspires your colleagues and ensures that our valued customers continue to experience excellent service. last line. Your reliability and resilience make you an essential part of our organization, and we are truly grateful for all that you do.
Thank you!
Okay, next. Pat.
Tapos hindi na.
Patricio!
Nakaluto yun dati.
Patricio!
This certificate of appreciation is presented to Patricia May Ramos.
Patricio!
In recognition of her dedication and reliability as store crew at Easy Grocery Products Trading. She's a fast learner with initiative. Pat has been a valuable part of the company since she started. Her consistent hard work, positive attitude, and readiness to assist both customers and co-workers have greatly contributed to the smooth operations of the store. Beyond her daily responsibilities, she also embraces fun and creative ways to support the team, sharing our content to her voluminous TikTok community, willingly dancing or acting for social media content to help boost engagement and connect with the community. Her commitment, cheerful spirit, and full-hearted service reflect the true values of teamwork and customer care.
Patricio! Patricio!
Dancers yun, ano?
Alright, Gab. Okay, Gab.
For being always late.
Let's move to positive, okay? This certificate of appreciation is presented to Mark Gab Totanes. In recognition of his industriousness and perseverance as store crew at LKD, Grocery Products Trading, slowly but surely he continues to grow in consistency, confidence, and commitment, always giving his best in every shift, despite life's challenges and obstacles, and we recognize that, Gab. He powers through with strength and determination, showing up with a positive attitude that encourages those around him. His steady effort and willingness to help make him a valued part of the team. He steps out of his comfort zone by dancing or acting also for social media content, embracing these moments with openness and good humor to support the store's engagement and growth. With heartfelt gratitude for his dedication, resilience, and evolving excellence, we proudly present the certificate of appreciation. Very good.
Baggy boy! Baggy boy!
Abby.
Yes.
Pilang mo na sinusunod, no? Dami na sila
Excited na ako sa sasabihin ko eh.
atrasin na
Okay,
mga.
Abby.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
recognition of her dedication and excellence as accounting and admin officer of Elton Grocery, she has been a core part of figuring things out for the company's finance and admin operations when we were just starting out. In times when processes were unclear or systems were still being built, she stepped in with patience, open mind, can-do attitude, and unwavering commitment. Through her careful monitoring of the store's financial flow, she helped establish a foundation of stability and trust that the whole company now leans on. Her eagerness to learn and grow in the field of accounting, paired with her diligence and calm perseverance, has strengthened not just our numbers, but our confidence moving forward. Her contribution has played a vital role in the company's growth and success.
Ako na.
Okay, Lizelle.
Iyak pa ako dyan.
Sel Turaya!
Pwede ba nasa na lang? Wait.
Pwede naman.
Go,
Pagpapaganda
Lola.
daw natin kami request, Abby.
Sige.
Change
I-edit.
Okay. In recognition, this certificate is presented to Lizelle Lazala. In recognition of her dedication and loyalty as store crew of LTD Grocery Products Trading. One of the OGs, guys. Her warm and pleasant way of connecting with customers, paired with her natural persuasive skills, has helped drive sales and create memorable experiences for everyone she serves. Pati yung
Sa lahat ng lugar, siya yung malupa.
yun na. Yeah, pero yeah, we recognize your very, very good persuasive skills. Beyond her work on the floor, her talent in cooking has added a special touch to the store, supporting hashtag Make Use of Use of promotion delighting customers, and boosting sales in meaningful ways. We have to plan back that in the operations, by the way. Her positive attitude, reliability, and consistent hard work have made a lasting impact on daily operations and overall customer satisfaction.